Hey everyone, Dan from Orange County Pools in Wellis, New England, and this is a model showcase on one of our most popular hot tubs, the Wellis CityLine Paris model. So Wellis is the sole brand we carry. We've carried numerous hot tub brands over the past 3 decades. 5 or 6 years ago, we found Wellis the #1 spa manufacturer in Europe. We took one look at their build quality and smart innovation and precision European engineering. We ditched all the other brands that we carried and brought Wellis into the United States. We were the very first dealer to bring them into the United States, and now they are all over the East Coast, into the Midwest, into Colorado. It's amazing what they have done being a European brand coming into a saturated hot tub market and gaining massive market share. So why is that? Why has this brand been able to do that? It's really because of their smart European build quality. I want you to think about BMW, Audi, Mercedes, how they build their cars. They're just built differently than your American or even Japanese or Korean cars. They're built to a higher level of overall engineering. So and as a result, we looked at some of their smart innovations and said, this is a great brand for us to bring in, and that's what we did. So what makes Wellis special? In general, as I said, their build quality. So what you're looking at is a composite framed hot tub. So what that means is it's not framed with wood, which rots. It's not framed with metal or steel, which rusts. It's composite framed. It's made from recycled composite material, and therefore it is stronger and longer lasting and more durable than the competition. It is a fully insulated hot tub, meaning there is nothing that you need to do to insulate this hot tub and get it ready for winter. It's fully ready to go out of the box. There's about 2 inches of foam right behind the cabinet. The acrylic itself is also triple insulated, and it also has a very thick, high R value, well insulated extreme winter cover that we include rather than using the standard hot tub cover. So fully ready to go for winter right out of the box. A lot of smart innovations, very energy efficient. Europe is way ahead of us as far as their wellness industry and their energy efficiency, and this tub is a showcase of that. So again, this is the Wellis Paris model. It is a CityLine model. Essentially, it is a top of the line model, just a touch smaller than their larger peak line models, but it retains most of the fun and innovative advanced features. So what you're looking at is a 7-seater hot tub, right? So seats for 7 people. Let me back up a little bit. All right, as you see, a ton of jets, so 40 jets. A lot of them are oversized jets. So a lot of space in this hot tub, 86 by 86. It does have a 2-pump system, 3 horsepower for each pump, plenty of power. And then crucially, it has a low power, less than 1 amp circulation pump, which is going to handle most of your filtration and cycling. So that is going to save power rather than having to use one of the main pumps. A lot of low-end hot tubs, they skimp on the pumps. They don't include a circ pump, and it's using one of the main pumps, the only pump that a lot of the low-end hot tubs have to move and circulate the water, which is going to increase your energy costs. So one of the standout features of this hot tub is the Gecko touchpad. So if this tub were powered, I'd be able to touch this and control the tub. I can even flip it around so you can see it when you're on the inside of the tub. And crucially, it does have the ability to go on your smartphone. So there's an app so you can control the tub from anywhere. So if you're coming home from dinner or coming home from work and you want to pop up the temperature a couple degrees so it's hot and ready when you get home, you can do that. If you're away for the night and you want to make sure no one gets in your hot tub and no one uses it, you have that power. You'll be able to see that. It'll also send reminders to your phone about cleaning the filters or rinsing or cleaning the hot tub or rinsing the water, draining the water. So it's a very nice, innovative system. Now, the awesome thing about the Paris model is that it's a nice mid-sized tub. The price point is sort of in between a low-end and a very, very super high-end luxury tub. So it hits that sort of middle-of-the-road price point, and you get a lot of features. One of the standout features of Wellis hot tubs is how they design their jets. So a lot of people sort of get in a hot tub, and it's a one-size-fits-all type of seat. That's not what happens with Wellis. So if I were to turn the pump on, I have control over every single jet. So with a quick turn on off, I can control how much water is coming out of that jet. Same thing with the smaller jets. So in other words, if you are in a seat and you don't like what a jet is doing, or maybe you have a sunburn or there's a sore spot on your body that you just don't want to get hit with the jet, you have control over that. And then from there, every single seat has an enrichment tool that allows you to add or remove air from the line, which will also change the way the massage feels on your back. So what I essentially said is true for every single seat and every single jet that you see in this hot tub. You'll also notice that there are different types of jets. So these are spinners. In other words, the water will come in here and will actually spin this jet. These are more straight directional jets, but you can alter where the jet is going. So as I said, you really have a lot of customization with this hot tub. And you're looking at the sterling silver color with the gray cabinet. There is also a darker Midnight Canyon color available, which is very, very popular. The other nice thing about this hot tub is you get some really cool additional features. Obviously, I did explain the touchpad, but it does have built-in speaker system. So it's a 2.1, speakers with a subwoofer. This system is awesome. It's loud enough and the clarity is good enough for it to be your sole outdoor speaker system. It's really, really awesome. They did not skimp on the speakers in this hot tub. It's the same system that the larger PeakLine tubs have. The speakers are flush mounted, and yes, of course, they are waterproof. And you'll notice there are also 2 fountain jets that you can control with a turn of one of the knobs here. It's actually that knob, so you have some lovely fountain jets. And then back there, you actually have a waterfall, so you have control over that as well. So 40 total jets, all controllable, 2 pumps plus a circ pump, 2 fountain jets, a waterfall, control over every single seat, every single jet. You even get aromatherapy, so you can choose your favorite spa scent. You put it right in here, give this a couple of presses, and it infuses the water with that scent. So lovely, lovely feature there. It also does have numerous LEDs. Okay, if this tub were powered, I could show you the different colors, about 10 different colors that you can choose. At night, it really, really looks beautiful. So this is the Wellis Paris. It's a 7-seat model. As I said, 40 total jets, and it is awesome. I'll do a quick spin around here so you can see it from different angles. Here's the other angle. What I love about this tub is that there's no seat that sort of doesn't get a lot of jets. They're very, very, so it's kind of spread out evenly. Sometimes in hot tubs, you see 3 or 4 seats that have a ton of jets, and then the other 2 or 3 seats have like 1 or 2. You don't get that here. The other nice thing about this tub is that this particular seat has these 2 very special jets. As you see, they're facing downward. So when you're sitting here, these are going to get the top of your neck and your shoulders. So it's a really, really a nice feature if that's something that you're looking for. Lots of space in this tub. Right, obviously I didn't talk about the filter housing there. There is a filter in there, so that would be what is helping the tub, the water stay clean and filter out. So there is a filter. We do have these in stock. We are anticipating a pretty aggressive sale price coming for the month of April 2023 and perhaps May. We are a full service company, meaning that we deliver to the home. We do have chemical auto ship programs. We do in-home tutorials. We really specialize in the aftercare. There's a lot of good hot tub brands out there. However, they'll sell you the tub and then you're on your own. That's not what we do here. We make sure that you are comfortable with it, that you understand how to use it, you understand chemicals, and we really specialize in that customer service aspect, and you can't beat that here at Orange County Pools. This is the Mohegan Lake store. We do have other locations in New Windsor, New York, as well as our flagship store, Wellis, New England, in Brookfield, Connecticut. So that is the Wellis Paris model in sterling silver. We have this in stock. Give us a call, 914-528-9000 extension 1, 914-528-9000 extension 1, Orange County Pools, Mohegan Lake. What an awesome tub. All right, guys, thanks for watching.